Is your retirement wealth protected from the next Great Recession? Well, if you're not interested in protecting retirement wealth during the coming deep recession, skip this ad. Still here? Good. Because you need to click on the link to get your Metals Investor Kit. So click on the link. Here's why you need to check this out. A deep recession is coming. It's months away if it is not here already. And why? First of all, the yield curve is badly inverted. And the inverted yield curves have predicted recessions for 40 years. The trade war is devastating U.S. business sectors. Trade tensions are having an effect on the U.S. economy. You see it now in the second quarter. You see weak investment, you see weak manufacturing. Farm bankruptcies are on the rise. In the fiscal year ending 2019, Chapter 12 farm bankruptcies increased in every region in the United States except for the Southeast. However, there were still a significant number of bankruptcies filed in that region. When the recession arrives, the government won't be able to do much to stop it. First, the national debt exceeded $22 trillion on February 11, 2019. So fiscal stimulus by the government spending is not in the cards. U.S. interest rates are already at abnormal lows, so the Fed has little room to cut rates. And monetary easing by the Federal Reserve may lead to negative interest rates. In other words, you'll be paying your bank interest on your hard-earned money. The FDIC admits that it lacks reserves to cover another banking crisis. Right now, the FDIC can only cover 1.1% of U.S. held bank deposits, or $1 out of every $100 of your bank account deposits. So if there are major bank failures, don't expect much help from the FDIC. This is bad. It's like 2007 all over again. Everyone was talking a big game, and very few saw the crash coming. You can't change the situation, but you can be better prepared this time around. You can take steps to protect your wealth and retirement funds. You have to be thinking of alternative investments. You can now consider investments you would not have thought necessary in the past. You should consider investment-grade gold as a portfolio diversification strategy. If interest rates go negative, gold prices will go higher. Gold may end up being the only investment that holds value through the coming deep slump. Do yourself and your family a favor. Click on the link below to receive your free Metal Investors Kit. Educate yourself about the pros and cons of investing in precious metals. Click on the link now and get your free report.